Open the index file that we created in the previous video. Right click on the file, open with Visual Studio Code. If you see this kind of warning, click on this manage button, then click on this trust button and close this window. Right click on your file, choose this option which is launch on browser. Your default browser will open. Change this title from Harry Potter to Paired versus Unpaired tag and add hello world, hello earth after the hello Thor text and save the file. See, now the output is hello Thor, hello world, hello earth. Now let's say I want the hello world, hello earth text in the next line. How will I push the text to the next line? If I click on the enter key, then the text goes to the next line in the editor, but after saving the file, there is no change in the output. If I add more empty lines by clicking on the enter key and save the file, still there is no change in the output. To push content to the next line, we have the BR tag, also known as the break tag. So to write the break tag or the BR tag, write BR and hit the tab key. See, the BR tag is auto completed by VS Code emmet. Now you can ask that this is the opening tag, where is the closing tag? But my friend, keep in mind that we have two kinds of tags in HTML according to the structure, paired tag and unpaired tag. Any HTML tag with separate opening and closing tag is called paired tag. For example, this head tag. This head tag has a separate opening tag and a separate closing tag. So this is a paired tag. This body tag also has a separate opening tag and a separate closing tag. So this body tag is also a paired tag. But this BR tag is an unpaired tag. It just tells the browser to break the line and move on to the next line. It has the opening tag and closing tag in a single tag. So save the file. You can see the hello world and hello earth text got pushed to the next line. You can write the break tag like this, or you can write like this. Both are correct. Now if I save the file, you can see there is another empty line between these two lines. So if I need more two empty lines, then I will copy these two break tags and paste them. Save the file. See, now we have 4 empty lines between these two lines. Now let's say I want to push the hello earth text to the next line. So between hello world and hello earth, I will add a break tag. Control S save. See, the hello earth text is now in a new line. Add another break tag. Control S save. There is an empty line between these two lines. And copy these two tags and again paste them. Control S save. Now there are 4 empty lines between hello world and hello earth. There are many paired and unpaired tags in HTML. We will learn them in the upcoming videos.